Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a calendar on Canva. So click on the plus button menu. Then now what do you want to create? Type calendar here to search for it. And this is it, calendar. Click on search. Then click on search. Now Canva asks you what calendar do you want to create. Is it a work calendar or normal calendar or birthday calendar, cartoon, Christmas, classroom, daily, event, family, monthly? You can see. So let's click on our daily calendar, and this is it. Our design is opening, and Canva will bring out automatic templates that we can use. It is very easy. We don't need to desktop ourselves much. We just have to click on any template here that we will be able to customize freely. So let's wait for Canva to bring out some template for us that we can use, and we will choose the templates that we're going to customize. So these are templates now. Yes, now let's choose one that we're going to customize. So I'm going to choose this one now. And this is it. This is our calendar. So you can now design anything. You can remove, add, and do anything on this your calendar, and we'll be able to save it. So let's dive in. I'll just click on this now. Do you want to replace this? No, I'm not going to replace. So let me just click on this. Then I want to put some text here. Weekly calendar. So I'm going to take your add the text box to put this now. So this is a week calendar, right? So I'm going to put Monday. Let me put Monday here. When you put Monday here, you can resize it. This is the color of my text. So I'll put the color to be brown like that. And I'm going to change it's going to be in bold. Then I'm also change my fonts. Let me change the fonts here. You can change the fonts of what you write. Alright, let me put it on this document font. You can see, okay, Arimo. Alright, not change all. You click on this. Then I want to let it bold. What you write, just click on what you write to make it bold. Now I'm going to click on what you write. So click on the Monday, and I want to bold it. So if you want to bold your text, you come to this font size. If you click on this font size, and you can increase here to bold it, you can see. So I'll bold it so that we'll be able to see what we are designing. Then I'll use this button. You can see this button to move it up here to make it Monday. Let me resize it. Let me resize it by clicking on this font size. Let me resize it so that you see. You can see. So I want to change the color so you'll be able to see what I'm designing very well. You click on the color here, and I'll put the color to be red. I think. Alright, let's put it on purple here. Okay, let's use red. Red will go with it. So I don't see it very well here. Let me move it to the side so I'll be able to see what I'm trying to create. You can see, and that is it. You can put your Monday. If you want to write anything here on Monday, you can write anything. I just want you to know how to design your calendar. It's very easy on Canva. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button and comment.